In the world of business, innovation isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity, especially for companies that want to thrive and stand out from the pack. And speaking of innovation, one technology that has continued to generate a lot of buzz in recent times is artificial intelligence. But make no mistake, artificial intelligence and other related technologies, like machine learning, aren't just buzzwords anymore, especially in the business landscape. These technologies, when used correctly, can benefit businesses in ways you never imagined. It's even made it possible for people to start a one-person business and turn it into $1 million enterprise. For businesses who are yet to make the transition from their archaic systems to more sophisticated technologies marshaled by AI, there is every likelihood that such businesses will trail their competitors. After all, the global AI market is expected to reach a staggering $500 billion market cap by 2024, which is just insane. That's double what it was in 2018. And it just goes to show how everybody and their grandmother is adopting AI-powered business solutions. It's not exactly a mystery either. AI helps down costs to a minimum, improves customer experiences, and generates more revenue in the short and long term. Long story short, it's the magic sauce that every business should be leveraging in 2023. But how exactly? Here are 5 ways AI can help businesses in 2023. Number 1. Automated operations. You know how companies have to handle tons of repetitive tasks on a daily basis? Well, here is where AI can become a superhero for your business. Thanks to AI, businesses can now seamlessly handle those repetitive everyday tasks without feeling like they aren't doing enough. Take, for example, customer service reps who have to deal with dozens of customer inquiries every day. They can now use AI chatbots to automate the whole process. What's even more exciting is that employees can now take a break from worrying about not completing those repetitive tasks and channel their energy to more critical projects. One area where leveraging AI can be the ultimate game changer is in the customer support department. Instead of your employees having to respond to every customer's questions and complaints, which honestly can be nerve-wracking, they can now depend on reliable AI-powered chatbots to handle such tasks. Again, since AI-powered systems can now be configured to handle easy, repetitive tasks, your team can now focus on more challenging aspects of managing your business. The icing on the cake is that AI can also minimize human errors and ensure accuracy. So, as your business keeps automating its operations using AI, it's just a matter of time before you attain unparalleled efficiency, which of course means more profit. Before we continue, here's something that might interest you.
Ever been curious about blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity? Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where tech becomes simple. Discover hundreds of articles and videos that keep you ahead. Join thousands of tech enthusiasts and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Never miss a beat of the future. Sign up, it's free. Don't get left behind in the tech revolution. www.blocklink.digital. Dive into tomorrow, today.
Now, back to the video. Number 2. Informed decision making. Besides automating operations, AI is revolutionizing how businesses make decisions. While humans can fold under pressure when handling massive piles of data, for AI, it is a piece of cake. Thanks to AI and its trusty buddy, machine learning, businesses now have a reliable tool that makes their operations easy, especially when it comes to decision making. Here is what's really fascinating. AI can not only handle massive chunks of data seamlessly, but it can also spot trends and predict future outcomes with it. With AI able to handle massive amounts of data, your team can finally sit back and use all of the analyzed data to tackle issues and make decisions that align with your company's objective. The cool part is that, of course, AI doesn't make mistakes. And because it is super accurate and lightning fast, companies can save even more time, money, and other resources that could have been used in manual decision-making processes. Number 3. Enhanced productivity. Let's talk about how AI is like that super efficient colleague in the office that everyone admires. That one colleague who makes everything work like a breeze. Well, with AI, companies now have a trusty sidekick that can finally boost productivity in ways they never imagined. While humans can crumble like a pack of cards under pressure, AI can handle automation with utmost perfection without ever getting tired. How cool can that be? By leveraging AI, businesses will not only boost their productivity meter, but will also outperform competitors who haven't made the transition. Imagine you have those repetitive tasks and other automated workflows running smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Well, thanks to AI, your employees now have enough time to handle other complex tasks. Here is the kicker. With your employees teaming up with AI, your company can do more, hence ensuring that productivity levels are at an all-time high. Number 4. Talent sourcing and recruitment. Alright, let's spill the beans on how AI is remarkably transforming the recruitment landscape. Even though the old-school ways of posting jobs, reviewing resumes and scheduling interviews still work like a charm, AI-powered recruitment tools are changing the game. While there will always be a place for human touch, especially in the final selection process, AI is lending a helping hand and helping companies recruit stellar performers. With AI capable of reading job postings, it can seamlessly recommend top candidates that match specific job specifications. Besides AI recommending top candidates, businesses can also rely on chatbots to ask candidates about their skills and experience. This goes a long way in saving the hiring manager time and effort. And let's not forget the role of machine learning in all of these. With AI teaming up with machine learning, companies now have a reliable tool that explores candidates' interview questions, social media profiles, resumes, and even job history. The best part is that these AI-powered systems take things a step further by scoring and summarizing the whole interview process, making the final hiring decision a stroll in the park for recruiters. By leveraging AI-powered recruitment systems, businesses can find their dream candidates without having to wait for weeks or more. And for candidates, they get to hear the news of landing their dream jobs quicker. Number 5. Adopting a customer-centric approach. In today's business landscape, customers are beginning to call the shots like never before. A recent study by Qualtrics XM Institute, nearly 60% of customers want businesses to care about them. And if not, then they are ready to take their business to brands that actually do. By leveraging AI, businesses can finally get an inside scoop on what their customers want and streamline their operations to achieve that. Imagine you run a music streaming business. By incorporating AI into your operations, you can spice things up big time. You could, say, pop AI algorithms into your app, which would analyze users' behaviors and preferences in order to craft personalized playlists for them. So, the bottom line here is that AI allows businesses to beam their searchlight on customers, offering them a super personalized experience that's like no other. And there you have it. We've journeyed through the incredible world of AI and its game-changing impact on businesses. It's not science fiction. It's happening right now, and it's within your reach. Today's video uncovered how AI can boost productivity, revolutionize recruitment, and create hyper-personalized experiences for your customers. We hope you can take action to harness the power of AI in your business. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow trailblazers in the world of business and technology. Thanks for watching.